Yeah, I got the hiccups again. 'Cause I always have the hiccups. I'm a hiccupy baby. I'm a hiccupy baby. What is it? Talk to me. You don't like those hiccups? Oh, goodness, you make Mama yawn. John Paul. John Paul. What are you doing? What are you doing? You just hiccuping? Just chilling? Just chilling. Oh, bless you. Do you like watching Ellen with Mama? You're not really watching it, you're looking at something else. John Paul.